Hi everyone, welcome back to the QC Makeup Academy YouTube channel. My name's Stephanie and I make a video for this channel every month, and today's video we are actually going to be trying and testing all 4 of the brand new QC eyelashes that they have brought out. I have a pair on right now that I've just finished off with and I am in love. These 4 pairs of lashes are gorgeous. They're so nice, so light, so pretty, and really do add so much to a makeup look, and I cannot recommend them enough. I'm definitely going to be using them a lot more, which is great. So if you'd like to see how I got on to try out all 4 of the new lashes, then keep on watching. So let's have a little bit closer at the lashes, shall we? So it comes in this gorgeous little box. It looks like a book, which is so nice, a nice gold panel. And they are absolutely stunning, these lashes. I'm actually digging the whole new design of QC as well. And look at these lashes, they come absolutely gorgeous. We've got a couple of au natural ones, a bit more defined one, and then these are like bam, full volume in your face. I am loving these, so I can't wait. So I'm gonna go with this first pair right here, these really pretty natural ones, and we'll see how they look. Obviously I won't be setting them with mascara. We're gonna see how they look first, because I will be trying 4 other pairs on, and I haven't done any eyeliner because I really wanted to like emphasize the lashes, so we will go from there. Okay, so that's so handy. They come out in their own little packaging. And the last time I tried some QC lashes on, they all actually fitted my eyes really well, so I didn't need to cut them down. But I'm just gonna have a look. Yeah, no, they don't need cutting down whatsoever. The eyelash glue that I'm using is just the Allure ones that I use with all my lashes, no matter what, because I just find that this glue really helps them stick. Okay, first I'm just gonna place them on into position. And then I'm going to use my tweezers just to push them up. Look how nice and natural they look. That is, oh wow, they're so gorgeous. I really like them a lot, like really like them. They're literally like, even with no bottom mascara as well, they look so pretty. And I've obviously like not even set them in place with mascara either, and I'm not going to, obviously for this video, but they are stunning. I really like this pair, they're so natural. Okay, next we're going to move on to this pair. These are going to be a bit more intensified, but quite natural looking as well. These are more like of a volume, whereas the ones before were very natural looking. Okay, same again with the glue. And again, just placing them into position. Now I've only tried on 2 pairs out of this set, but these are my favourite so far, hands down. Look at how nice that looks. That is stunning. I love the ends where it's so like wispy and out there. Oh, these are my favourite. These feel really nice as well. They don't feel horrible or that you wouldn't be able to get on with them. I'm really liking these. And again, just popping them on. Wow, I really like these a lot. These are my absolute favourites. They literally, I tell you what, just like, even if you do the most simplest natural looking makeup, just pop some lashes on and they just look gorgeous. Like, I feel so much more confident as well, like with my natural look that I've done today, and just pop some lashes on, they look amazing. Really happy with these. Okay, next. We've got these ones which are a bit more quirky looking. These remind me a little bit of like Tim Burton Alice in Wonderland. I feel like these would be a good one for like a creature or character look. Okay, so the thing is with these lashes, on me personally, I don't think I can pull them off, but I've seen loads of other people that can just pull these lashes off, but unfortunately I don't think they look as good on me as they do on others. They're still really nice and really comfortable, and they do add that little bit of full volume and natural, which I find from these styles. They feel so light as well. They're just, none of these lashes feel really heavy on your eyes, and that's the worst thing, especially if you're new to wearing lashes. You just don't want to really be able to feel the lashes. At first you will, and you'll be like, oh my god, what is this? But like, they're absolutely fine once you get used to them. But these, I can't even like feel them on, which is really good. I think the last pair as well, I'm really gonna like, just looking at them now, I'm really excited for them. So I'm just gonna pop the other one on. So these ones look a bit more like spider webbery. Like I said, I don't think they suit my eye shape necessarily. This one looks a little bit better than this one. I don't know if, obviously because I haven't brushed them up with like a mascara to set them in place, but if I do that, then I'll be here forever taking my mascara on and off with the lashes, and obviously I want to try all four in one go. So, but I really don't think they're my style. This one is really cute, how it's like fluttered out, but the other one is sort of how it looks when I use this style all the time. That's how I feel, but they're really cute. And the last ones are these ones. I normally get some lashes looking like this anyway for either some makeup looks or everyday wear, and they are absolutely gorgeous, this style, so I'm really excited for these. And these ones actually have like a black band, so I just find with the black band on it, you can sort of see here, and it just looks like you've got sort of like fake eyeliner on, if that makes sense. It really defines it. Whereas I found on these ones, which I really liked regardless, there is like no band, if that makes sense. Nevertheless, it doesn't matter if there's a band or not, but I find sometimes, especially if people are starting out with lashes, this is what I found from personal experience, that with the black band it really did help. But obviously if you're not wearing eyeliner, it does help sort of signify that you've got a little bit of a liner, false eyeliner there, and also it can sometimes look a little bit silly if they're not put in the correct position. Oh, these are pretty. Can you see with the black band that I was saying, it looks a little bit like I've got eyeliner on, when in fact I don't. I like these, but I definitely think the second pair are my favourite. Oh, these are really nice as well. I definitely think the second pair are my favourite for a more natural, like false, voluminous look. And then these ones, especially if I don't want to wear eyeliner, I definitely think these are a good one, because obviously sometimes you don't want a wing, and 9 times out of 10 I always have a wing anyway, but when I want to wear lashes, these are such a nice pair. Oh my god, I love these. Oh, I really like them. I'm gonna go through for my favourites. So obviously the second pair, which was these ones, are my absolute favourites, so they're number 1. Then I definitely think it goes these ones, which are number 2. And then the third ones are the first ones that we looked at, which was the more natural looking ones. Very nice, for a really nice natural look. And then obviously the fourth ones are the third ones that I tried out that obviously don't really suit me personally, but they're still really nice. Loads of people can pull this off, but unfortunately I just feel like I'm not one of them. But I really like these. Like I said, I absolutely love how light they are and how you feel like they're not even there. And especially with these ones as well, with the black bands on them, I just find that, you know, it really adds to your makeup look, especially if you're going all natural. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favourite pair was and if you will be trying these. Any questions or queries, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the QC Makeup Academy YouTube channel, and I'll see you for a brand new video next month. Bye.